In the beverage industry, accurate temperature monitoring and control is essential in day-to-day operations. Normally, beverage manufacturers turn to invasive in-pipe sensors for accurate temperature measurement. However, sensors aren't always in the most ideal locations. Relocating or installing a new invasive in-pipe sensor can be costly in both time and money. But now there's a new option, Omega's HANI high-accuracy non-invasive clamp temperature sensor. The HANI sensor clamps on the outside of a pipe and accurately calculates the temperature of the media inside the pipe, providing fast, accurate temperature readings at any point in the process. Recently, brewing technicians at Southern Tier Brewing started using the HANI sensor to help sanitize their carbon filtration tanks more thoroughly than ever before. Here's how. Hot water is pumped into the tank at a precise temperature. It must be greater than 180 degrees Fahrenheit to sanitize effectively, but no greater than 200 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature at which the water will vaporize into steam. Hitting the right time and temperature balance to ensure sanitization of carbon filtration is critical. Here, the HANI sensor easily clamps onto the existing piping and accurately monitors the temperature inside the pipe. And because sanitization is a function of temperature and time, the HANI's fast and accurate temperature measurement allows you to tell how long the heated water should remain in the tank for optimal sanitization to occur. Before the HANI sensor was made available, the brewers at Southern Tier found it very difficult to monitor the water temperature during this process, since traditional surface sensors aren't fast or accurate enough, and infrared thermometers can't be used because of the emissivity of the stainless steel pipes. And installing invasive in-pipe sensors was determined to be too costly, leading to too much downtime. So no matter where in your process you need accurate in-pipe temperature measurement, the HANI sensor can deliver. Click the link in the description to find out more about the Omega HANI high-accuracy non-invasive clamp temperature sensor.